Hello everyone, welcome to Persian with Mahtab. Today I'm here to teach you another sound of Persian, ne sound. Ne sound is exactly the same sound with English N, but ne sound has two forms. Ne awwal, ne akhar. Ne awwal comes at the beginning of the word, at the beginning and in the middle. But ne akhar is ne for final position. Look at here. Ne is exactly like other sound that we have learned, b, p, t, but that beautiful curve, but with the dot above its head. Ne awwal comes at the beginning, as I told you, and take the hand of the previous sound and the next. So this ne is called ne awwal, but ne akhar, look at me how I write it. We start here, go down, and a very beautiful curve here, and above its head a very beautiful dot. Ne awwal, ne akhar. Ne awwal, as I told you, at the beginning and in the middle, and ne akhar exclusively at the end of the word. So, ne akhar only takes the hand of previous sound, but not the next. Look at here. Non, non, ne at the initial position, o, that we have learned it, and n in the final position, non. Non is bread in Persian. Here, a body part, dandon. Dandon. Dandon is tooth, as you see in the picture. We have learned the sound before, a, n, ne awwal. Look at here, the sound a غیر اول and n آخر. دندان. Here, another body part. بینی. بینی is nose in Persian. Look at how do I connect, right? بینی, b sound. ای اول. Ne awwal, and again I akhar that we have learned in previous lessons. Bini, and one of the most beautiful words, baran. Baran. Baran is rain. Baran. As you see, ne in the initial and ne in the final. And here you see ne and ne in dandan and bini in middle position and baran, ne akhar, ne at the end of the word in final position. Now let's go to friendship table, جدول دوستی, which we combine ne sound with our vowel to see what word we have with ne awwal and ne akhar. Today's sounds is ne awwal, ne آخر. Okay, this ne only can be friend with a غیر اول because it should come always at the beginning of the word. So we make friendship between ne and a. Ne and a will be na, 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 like none, none, none. Look carefully that how I connect the sound with each other in writing. First write ne, tooth go up, then put the dot for na, na, n, non. If we make friendship between ne and a, then we have na. Then we have na. If we make friendship between ne and u, then we have nu. Nu. And ne and e, and ne and e, then at the end put the dot for ni, ni. For ni, we in the first lesson we learned, look at here, we have bastani, we have te, a, then ne, e. You see ne in the final position in the word bastani, and in non in the initial and final position, non. Also with ne آخر we have the word a very beautiful word we have with ne آخر, باران. باران. باران means rain. So you can say very beautiful sentences with, for instance, باران آمد. It rained. باران آمد. Also a very beautiful sentence. مادر در باران آمد. Mother came in the rain. مادر در باران آمد. Now let's go to the homework. Write نه اول, نه آخر. As I told you, when you are writing your homework, read aloud. نه اول, نه آخر, and none. None. Ne a n, none. And the word nam. Ne a m. Nam. Nam in Persian is name. It's a long word. Nam, name. نام من مهتاب است. My name is مهتاب. نام من مهتاب است. نام. And the word دندان. Look at the way I write and connect ne to de. دندان. The a, n. Then return and write the complete دندان. And the last word, beanie, nose, beanie. Look at the way I connect these sounds to each other. First write the tools for B, then E in the middle, then N, and at the end, E آخر. Then the dots, dot for B, dots for E, and dot for N sound. Beanie, beanie. Write beautiful, careful, and good luck. See you in the next session.